Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my latest purchase, Mayer's cast iron tawa. This has been on my wish list for a long while. So recently I purchased this Mayer's cast iron dosha tawa from Amazon. So I thought I'll share it with you guys. Long time I had been using this non-stick dosha tawa. It was really working good for me, but as we all know, non-stick is not so healthy. So I really wanted to buy a cast iron dosha tawa which is pre-seasoned. So finally I bought this Mayer's cast iron dosha tawa. So this is a good purchase. It's seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Its price is slightly on the higher side compared to other items available in Amazon, but since I wanted a really good tawa, I didn't want to compromise on the quality. So I know Mayer is a very nice brand, so I went for it. I especially liked its shape with a long handle. So it's really easy to handle as the handle doesn't get hot so fast. It also has this handle cover which comes along with the back. We can use this so that if the handle gets hot, it is easy to handle. But for me, I didn't use it much because the handle was not getting so hot. So it was quite easy for me without this handle. But if you prefer, you can always use this handle too. Next, I'll show the seasoning of the new cast iron tawa. Although it's already pre-seasoned, and when I searched on YouTube, it's always good to season it once more before you use it. So I'm cleaning with a sponge as well as gram flour. Next, heat the tawa and dry it up well. After the moisture content has all gone, we can season it using gingerly oil or nallenna in Malayalam. I've seen people doing this seasoning process more than once, but I did only once. It has dried well. Now we can season it with gingerly oil. It's as simple as that. The new cast iron tawa is seasoned well. Now it's ready to use. My experience with the local cast iron tawas had been really bad. I had a really tough time with those. So now it's easier for me. The first thing I made was godamba dosha, that is wheat flour dosha, and it came out really well, and I'm more than super happy. I made doshas again a number of times, and every time it came out really well. So I hope this video is helpful to those of you who are trying for a new cast iron tawa. You can really go for Mayer's new cast iron tawa. I hope you found the video useful. If you like the video, do give a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you all soon in another video. Until then, bye bye.